Thank you so much for your love and support. And once again, we are back with another practice questions. And this question is about the CNI. So we'll check what the question is. Go to the killer coda, search Neolab, and you'll find this scenario. I'll post it into comment. So installation of native, so CNI with native network support. So CALICO supports the native network policies. So what question says cluster must support native network policies. So your option is what is CNI, native network policy support. Network. So finally, is simply overlay network. It gives pod-to-pod networking, but it does not enforce Kubernetes network policy by itself. So the correct choice is CALICO. CALICO implements Kubernetes network policy natively and enforced at the data plane level. So let's start. So CALICO. So I'll copy this link, and instead of apply, I can create, or I will replace an F and link, and then I will write create. You can write create first, but I will define this way. So Control L. Now we need to install custom resources. So first, the link is not available, so don't worry. Just up arrow, and here wget, and here custom resources. So Control L ls, and you will have a custom resources file. So vi custom resources. So here a few things need to change. Here CIDR need to change, but mostly killer coda CIDR is same as that. So what I will do, will cat it. I will go to the /cd etc Kubernetes manifest and kube controller manifest. There I will cat kube controller manager, and I'll grep CIDR, grep -I CIDR. So here you will see this, it is the same. If it is not the same, then you have to change that. And then here a few parameter setting we need to do. So first I will just remove this cross X. So WQ, and if the pod will not work, then we have to insert a BGP equal to disable. BGP disable we need to add, and then it will work. So WQ and K apply -F custom resources. So K get daemon set -N CALICO system. So daemon sets, and now K get pods. So it is initializing. Let's check whether it is working or not. So here it is showing 0. It's to 1. So let's try with WQ. So now it is running. So you need to check whether these things are running, and if it is not running, then this two settings is very important. And I have already created this video earlier, but I'm preparing this series once again. So this two things is very important, and it is nowhere available. So thank you so much for your love and support, and we'll see you in next practice questions, which is cluster setup for a CNI. Thank you so much for your love and support.
Yes, I got the CKA badge. I'm officially a certified Kubernetes administrator. So proud of this achievement.